Getting your first 100 subscribers on YouTube can feel very impossible, right? I get it. It's frustrating, it's overwhelming, and sometimes you just feel like nobody's watching. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you simple, proven strategies to hit your first 100 subscribers. And trust me, it's easier than you think. My channel grew from 250 subscribers to 350 subscribers in just 2 days. So let's dive in. So whether you're just starting or you're stuck at a few sub, these tips will set you up for success. So grab a notebook because you're going to want to take notes. Your content is the foundation of your channel. You have to focus on videos that solve a problem or entertain your target audience. Think about it like this. Like, what would you click on as a beginner on YouTube? For example, if you're in the beauty niche, you make videos like 5 easy everyday makeup hack because that's going to be good. Like I always say, when you're creating content or when you want to create content, make sure that your content gives value. A lot of people are busy. So when they come on YouTube, they're coming on YouTube to get value. And the value can either be educational or on entertainment. We're coming on YouTube to learn something. I'm coming on YouTube to research something. How to do this? How do I do this? Or I'm coming to get entertained, to laugh. Is it funny? To take my mind off what is stressing me. So people don't have time to come here and not get value for their time. When you're trying to create content, make sure your content is going to give value. In this content, what are people gaining from this content? When people click on this content, what are they gaining from this content? These are the things that make people subscribe, because if I am looking for value and I see your video has value and I come to your channel and I see that this is the value you give continuously, there is no reason for me not to subscribe to that channel. This is how you're going to gain your first 100 subscribers, by giving the subscribers the value they came on YouTube to get. So I'm going to give you a small tip. When you're niching, start small. Stick to 1 or 2 niches so people know exactly what to expect from your channel. If you can stick to one niche, that is really great. Just like me, if you come to my channel or if YouTube recommends any of my video to you, you don't know me before, and you click on my video and I am exactly what you're looking for. I gave you the value that you're looking for. When you get to my channel, you see my content. Once you see my content, you already know what this channel gives you. You know that this channel gives you YouTube growth tip. You know that this channel gives you YouTube tricks. You know that this channel shows you how to make money online. Everything is clear. And because of that is the value you're looking for, you are more likely to subscribe to the channel than not. This is how you get your first 100 subscribers. When people come and look for the value that they want and they get it from you, I promise you they're going to stick around. They're going to stick to your channel. They are going to turn to loyal subscribers because you are giving them what they came here to do. People's time are valuable. So when I'm spending my time on this app trying to get something, you best believe that I have to be getting the value I am spending my time on. So now we're moving to your title and your thumbnail. Like I always say, optimize your title and thumbnail, because your title and thumbnail are the first thing viewers see. Make them irresistible. Use powerful words like easy, fast, and must know. People love powerful, expressive words like that. And your thumbnail also, use bold, clear text, clear images, and a bit of intrigue goes a long way. I use tools like Canva or Photoshop to make mine pop. If your thumbnail and title are not asking a question in viewers' mind, then you're doing it all wrong. Your thumbnail should ask the viewer a question. Like, it should make them want to click the video and actually find out the answer to that question. So as your title, if your title doesn't spark curiosity, then you're not wording it the right way. That means you need to reward your title. That is the only pro tip to help your title and your thumbnail. Make sure it sparks curiosity in the mind of viewers. Ooh, I want to know the 10 secrets to help my YouTube channel grow. I'm going to click on that video. And once I watch that video and it actually gives me the value I clicked on it for, I'm definitely subscribing to that channel. So please, your title and thumbnail are also very important to get your first 100 subscribers. Leverage trending topics and keywords. Like I always say, keywords are so important. Instead of just sharing your videos everywhere, not to your family and friends. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out in the cards. But instead of just sharing your video everywhere, make your content easier to get discovered. By riding the wave of trends, look for trendy topics in your niche and create videos around them. You can use like Google Trends or even YouTube search, or even if you go to your YouTube analytics, there's a part now where YouTube is showing you what people are searching for, what is trending on YouTube, just for you to be able to know the video ideas you're going to get from that. For example, if you're in the beauty niche and clean girl aesthetic is trending, create content like clean girl makeup routine for beginners. Those are the kind of videos that are more likely to pop because they are trending and the keyword is being searched for. A lot of people are coming online to search for this thing. So definitely your video will get recommended and you will get viewers that are more likely to pull to your channel as long as your video is valuable to them and also a quality video. Please do not compromise on quality. quality is very important. Combine trends with evergreen value. Even when the trend fades, your videos can still provide value to viewers, bringing in more subscribers over time. Next, we are moving to consistency because what? Consistency is everything. Post regularly, at least once a week. I would advise you to post 2 to 3 times a week if you can. Yes, you have to get on your grind. Consistency is everything. The more you have videos, the more chances people have to discover your channel. So even if it's not perfect, just hit publish because you're just starting out. You're going to learn as you grow. The more you edit, the more you film, the more you put out content, the better your editing gets, the better your strategy gets, the better your filming gets. It's all like a muscle. Like the more you practice something, the better it gets. As long as you adhere to these tips in this video, you are surely on your way to your first 100 subscribers. And if you're serious about growing your channel, hit that subscribe button. More tips are coming your way. Please, guys, this is how you get your first 100 subscribers. If I can do it, then you can surely do it. These are tips that I have used and they worked. I don't come here and tell you guys things that don't work. Before I bring anything to my community, like I always say, I try it. I make sure it's verified, it is trusted, and it is approved before I can share this with my community. So, guys, these are the things that worked for me, and I gained over 100 subscribers within the space of 2 days. And if I can do it, then you can do it. All you need to do is to follow these tips. Please, I'm going to link important videos that is going to help you on this journey. Videos on consistency, videos on how to build your thumbnail, videos on how to optimize your channel. I'm going to link them in the cards. Please watch those videos after this. This is going to back this video up and help you on your journey to your first 100 subscribers. Okay. Remember, everyone starts at 0. With these tips, you would reach your first 100 subscribers faster than you think. So please keep creating, keep learning, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.